Welcome back to Fun Kids Team. Before you guys continue this video, make sure to subscribe. We're going to give away a brand new PS5 if you guys get us to 5,000 subscribers. And we have our best friends here. Over there. Adam and Ali.
Yo, subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe. So we're doing a fun activity. We're going snow sledding, but there's a crazy thing happening. There's a snow sled off the stairs. Yeah. Ellie, crazy. Ellie, no. You're too little for this thing. Muhammad, come sit in the back.
Muhammad, sit in the back.
I don't know if we're going to do a crazy activity. That's fun. That's so much fun. Ow. But kind of bumpy. It is. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this. Come on, Ellie. Sorry. No. Let's go. That's it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, freak. I'm still sliding. You could try this at home. Make sure you guys watch the other videos as well. Make sure you guys watch how we cracked an egg on Omar's head. But I said they're gonna be maybe on Ali's or Hen's head. But it did on me. It's actually cold out here. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna get out of the way. I'm gonna be scary. Wait, what are you gonna do? 3, 2, 1. I'm scared. No. What? This way. No. This time, finally, I faced my fears. That was nice. It feels so good to do something that you're scared of it, and you just do it. It feels so good. You'd be like proud of yourself. Adam, come on. This is the end of this video. Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that like button. And we'll see you next time. Make sure to subscribe. We're giving away a brand new PS5 to get us to 5,000 subscribers. And thanks for our friends for recording with us. See ya! Bye!
Bye.